Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the food. Food we eat. There are variety of foods in our daily life. We eat vegetables, chapati, rice, kheer, sometimes dal, pulses, etc. There are many things. But do you all know from where does it come from? Farms. Yes, farms. But these all things like vegetables, chapati, rice, kheer, pulses, grain, bread, all the things are coming only from the farm? No, these all the things doesn't come only from the farms. Some things we get from the farms, but some things like meat, chicken, milk products, cheese, butter, curd, paneer. These are the things we get from the animals. So we can conclude that things which we get from the plants are called as a plant as a resource. Things which we get from the animals are called as animal as a resources. So there are two types of resources of food, animals and plants. To make it clear, let's see some examples of this. To make a sandwich, what are the things we need? Things we can say ingredients we need. We need carrot, then cucumber, onion, paneer, cheese, butter and wheat. So these all things are coming from farms, from plants only? No. Vegetables like onion, tomato or cucumber, carrot, all the things are coming from the plant as a source, and cheese, butter, paneer are coming from the animals. Those are the milk products. So these are the animal as a resource. Right? Let's see one more example of it. Let's take a lunch, a healthy lunch. It includes chapati, dal, rice, vegetable and curd. So dal, rice, pulses, chapati are the grain comes from the farms, in short plant category, vegetables, plants and curd which is milk product, again it comes from the animal, cow or buffalo. So these are the animal as the resources. So we can conclude that mainly there are two types of resources of food, animal as a resources and plants as a resources. Some people eat fishes also. So the fishes comes from sea. So only the fish comes from the sea. But mainly two types are animals and plants. Fish is also an animal, so it comes under the category of animals. We have seen the two main resources of food, that is plant as a source and animals as a source. Now we are going to see about the first, that is plant as a source in detail. Now can you tell me which parts of plants we use as food? All the parts, right? Like leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root. All the parts are edible parts. Edible says which parts which we can eat. Edible. Yes, but if I take an apple tree, so the whole apple tree is edible? No, only fruits which that plant bear are the edible part of that particular plant. Do we eat stem, leaves of the apple tree, flower of the apple tree, or root of the apple tree? No, only we eat the fruit that an apple tree bear. Right? Again, we'll take the spinach. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. So, do we eat roots of the spinach? No, we eat only the leafy part of the spinach. So, everyday food like potato, sweet potato. So, these are the roots of the plant. Do we eat the stem of a potato plant? No, only the root one. So some parts of the plant we eat, not the whole plant. So there are many plants. There are some parts are edible and some are not. Now tell me, how to make a sprouted matki? I will tell you. We have to take the seeds of matki. We have to soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours minimum. Then we have to tie it in a cotton cloth for 24 hours minimum. Then if you can see, a small white kind of structure may have grown out of the seed. That part or those are called as a sprouted matki. So here our misal pav is ready with these ingredients. You also can make the sprouted bale. You can use moong, matki, chana. It will be healthy for you. And add some, for taste you can add some chat.